Today we're going to talk about welding radiation. Electric arcs and gas flames from welding and cutting produce ultraviolet and infrared radiation. With repeated exposure, fabrication shop workers can become overexposed and suffer damage to their eyes and skin. The following safe work practices will help you protect yourself from the most common welding radiation hazards. Ultraviolet radiation can cause the equivalent of a sunburn to the surface of the eye. The injury is painful and disabling, but is usually temporary. Ultraviolet radiation also can cause the equivalent of severe sunburn to exposed skin. Infrared radiation heats exposed skin tissue but isn't harmful unless it's hot enough to cause a thermal burn. However, infrared radiation can cause permanent damage if the welder or others nearby stare directly into the arc without eye protection. Protect your skin by wearing long-sleeve shirts and long pants made from flame-resistant material. Use no synthetic fabrics. Be sure there are either no pockets in the shirt or that any pockets have closing flaps. Also, if you have cuffs in your pants, they may trap sparks and slag. Always use a welding hood with the appropriate shaded lens. You will need a number 10, a number 12, or a number 14 shaded lens for electric arc welding, depending on the size of the electrode and the amount of current being generated. For gas metal arc welding, you will need a number 11, a number 12, or a number 14 shaded lens, depending on the amount of current being generated. Check with a welding machine manufacturer or your supervisor before you start to weld to ensure you have the appropriate shaded lens. Be sure to wear a pair of safety glasses with side protection under your welding hood. Never look at a welding arc even for an instant without proper eye protection. Use welding screens around your welding area to protect others who may otherwise look at the arc without protection. These are just a few things that will help you preserve yourself from the harmful effects of welding radiation.